welcome to day 2 of our Florida trip. We're up nice and early. It's like
half 5 or something.
half 5ish. We went to bed super early last night. The twins just had enough, clearly. I am not sweating, by the way. It is.
Nope.
That's that going. It's skincare, but my hair is definitely lost in this heat. I never usually have it down, but I whip up in a wee second. Anywho, we are up nice and early for Dunkin. We were going to go to Celebration for coffee, but we still will. I think we're going to go to the diner.
Yeah.
But we've never experienced that before. I've not even been Celebration before, so we're very excited. This is what iDrive currently looks like. Absolutely dead, because it's so dark still. But yeah, twins are happy. They got lots of sleep last night. They've actually been doing really good with their sleeping. That's what I was worried about. Not going to lie, but yeah. Apple. Apple. Do you want some apples? But yeah, I will show you when we get our coffee orders, because my goodness, coffee is needed this morning. Actually, I feel pretty good, but we didn't have a coffee till like lunchtime yesterday. Thank you. That's why I'm feeling it. Can you? There's no way I'm seeing it. Too short. Anyway,
Where's your dummy?
cars are getting. I've got it here. Cars are all passing by there. But yeah, come along to Dunkin with us. We've not actually. Well, I've not had a Dunkin Donuts coffee. Scott has. I wasn't really into coffee last time we came here, but being a mum, I kind of feel like it's.
Yeah.
You kind of get. You kind of just get it handed to you. Like you have no choice but to like caffeine now. So caffeine is in my best pal. But yeah. Bye.
Wow.
Wow. Guys, what is that?
Wow. No, I'm not going on that.
Say, Daddy, yeah. You go on it. Wow.
That is so cool. Oh yeah?
We're here. That walk felt longer than usual. Yeah. Is it shut?
Oh, you know, it's not bad.
Oh, we made it. Now time for a coffee. A much needed coffee. Okay, we're now in Dunkin. Scott, try your coffee. And see if it's nice. Good.
It's better than Starbucks.
So Scott got a caramel macchiato with 4 pumps of caramel syrup, and I just got a nice latte with also 4 pumps of caramel syrup. Thank you. That's my phone. And the twins have donuts. Willow, come and sit down and have a donut.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Here you go. This is unreal. I would definitely rate it. You can't actually see us all because she's so small. Who's that? You can't even see her either. I'm either. Kickaboo. So we're going to enjoy this and get back to the hotel. It's actually already getting so light outside, which is mental because it's 6:30 and it's already so light. It's mental. But yeah.
Is that yummy?
Is she happy? That was that nice? Mmm.
Oh, yummy.
So good? What are you doing, little miss? What was that in your way? Is that in your way? Do you want to sit in it? Do you want to sit in it? Eat what? She got what she wanted. Are you comfy sitting in there?
And you don't need that dummy just now when you're eating.
Told you you wouldn't be comfy in there, you're going to want out. Little lady with attitude, I tell you. So, Dunkin is done. What would you rate it?
10.
It's got quite high with the 10s this trip. I really enjoyed it. Like, I'm content that we've done it and I want to experience more coffee shops, but Scott wants to go back to it. So, you'll probably find us back there quite often. I thought it was really sweet, but saying that, we did have 4 pumps of caramel syrup in it. And it's not like, it's like the caramel swirl, so it's like caramel sauce. Actually unreal. Anyway, we're now just passing the McDonald's. Turn around and see it. And it's nice and light now. We're gonna get back to the hotel, chill a little bit, get them freshened up, get ourselves freshened up, and show them the back of my t-shirt. You can't tell where we're going. We're going to Sugars. Scott's got his on the back also, but I'll show you when he's not got a backpack on. We've kind of changed it up. I never usually carry a bum bag like I do when I'm travelling, and then everything's just in the bag, but just for easiness, it's just easy for me to have this crossbody Lululemon bag and Scott to carry the big nappy bag, which does get quite weighty, but we could put it under the pram every so often, but it's just having to put the pram down and all that. It's a bit of a pain in the bum. So yeah, I'm so happy to be here.
Yep.
This was such a good feel, doesn't it? Just spent all my time on iDrive. Like, I just love iDrive. I just love the feel that it gives you. It's so good. So good. This bit does give me the fear though, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you wait here for ages.
Yeah.
And no matter like when you're allowed to go, cars still proceed to go. So I'm gonna put you away just now because I need to concentrate. But bye bye. We're now in Walgreens, and these are what I keep on seeing everywhere. I have a feeling that it's this one, the retinol one, yeah, that I'm really wanting to get. I've heard amazing things about it, and I swore by this. Sorry, Scott. The Hemp's one. It was unreal. I think I bought like 3 last time we came, and I was so sad when they were gone, so I definitely had to pick up some more. All the Tree Hut stuff. I just love shopping in America. They look good as well. It's just so, and obviously we have all this like Boots and Superdrug back home, but it just doesn't hit the same, does it? We're in here to try to find some string for, we have like a name tag saying the Stewart family for our stroller. I'm turning American already. We'll be in this aisle, yeah. We did bring tie wraps, but I can't actually find them. It's like laces, maybe they could work. Or let's have a wee look. Oh, look at the toys. So cute. There might be some things here, like there's elastic bands or string, if I can find string. Sorry, this is so boring. We're just trying to find something that can clip onto our pram. But yeah, oh look at these. It's got a look. So cute.
I'm not taking it off you.
Just having a wee look. Probably, I don't actually know. But yeah, we're just going to finish having a wee look in here. And if I pick up anything, I'm sure when we get back to the hotel, we're just going to get ourselves quickly ready and head into the car to head to Celebration. I don't actually feel that hungry. Oh my goodness gracious me. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm Red Bull's #1 fan. Oh my goodness. Do you want any monsters, boo? You sure? Actual unreal. It's the simplest little things. Get me so excited. I thought these would have been some things. I need to remember to bring our liquid IV. I actually brought some with me. Don't actually know if we're going to have much luck in here, if I'm honest. You know, probably better just having the shoelaces, if I'm honest. I know. What about that?
Oh, maybe it is. Yeah.
I think something like that. We just need to try and burst a hole through. Might look a bit messy, but that'd be alright.
Yeah. You just need to get something to punch on.
That's what I mean, we'll just...
Did you bring the same buttons?
No.
Is that for you?
Yes, it is. But anyway, we're going to go chill for now. And I'll see you when we're either in the car to Celebration or at Celebration. It's the first one for us and I'm buzzing. Right, bye. Back in the hotel, we actually just picked up watermelon because they spotted it and some shoelaces, and we're going to try DIY the sign onto our pram. And the very kind woman gave us 2 sets of cutlery so the twins can eat it right now.
They're back here.
Which I'm going to get them.
Back in the bed.
No worries.
Can you open the door a bit?
Yep. And yeah, we're going to try some watermelon just now, and that came to $12.24, which worked out about £9.57. That was it. We've made it to the diner. It's so cute in here. It's so quiet for one, but it's just so cute. I'm going to show you the menu. So this is the menu. You can even pause it. You can have a little look. I'm actually not sure what we're going to go for. Scott's went for a chocolate milk because we've had our coffee today, and I've went for an orange Fanta, and we're just gonna see. And we've got two little toe rags living their best lives. What do you think you're gonna go for, Scott? I'm spitting pancakes. I'm gonna have a little look and we'll let you know. Check the size of that. Put it towards your head, Scott. You're gonna get some. So breakfast has arrived. Oh my goodness, this is the peanut butter and jelly pancakes. Scott got a side of bacon. He's got a cinnamon roll. And Willow is wanting to tuck into mine, so we're going to try it and we'll let you know how it is. Do you want some? Ready? Thank you. You're so welcome. You ready? Oh, it's very crumbly. Amazing, thank you. Yummy. Mummy, try some. Oh my. These are good, aren't they? Let's get your taste test.
Bacon, man.
Good. Good. Nice, try it. I'll try it in a minute. Give some to Jensen. Jensen, you want to try some? No? You're not sure? Maybe we're going to go enjoy this now because Willow's want more. Wow. It's amazing, isn't it? I just feel like I'm living in a movie.
Did you get your arm out? How?
There. On the reins. I always feel dead guilty putting them on the reins, but it's just so much easier. Especially for this. You just... Willow, do you want a drink? There you go. Good. Come on, Willow, this way. I'm obsessed. Actually obsessed. But that's all I'm going to be saying. So obsessed. Like Starbucks. We'll go this way, guys. This way. This way. Wow. This way. Yeah. Scott's having a mirror with Jensen. Okay, no worries. Let's get in the pram. It's too much, clearly. All this walking. It's very hot already. Very, very hot. You're probably like, it's Florida, of course it is. But you want to stay with me, pal? Come and sit on the bench together then, come on. Well, wait. You want to walk with him? Okay. You want to walk? We're having a mare. It's alright. Obsessed. I feel like I'm living a movie. I just feel so incredibly lucky to be here. Anyway, the update on the diner. Absolutely obsessed with it, but what I will say, and I didn't actually think, just from like watching everyone else's vlogs, the portion size, my god, the pancakes could have easily fed all 4 of us, but me and Scott got pancakes each, and it was a lot, like a lot. So next time we go, it would definitely be one between the 4 of us, I think. Scott got a side of bacon, and that was definitely a game changer. Just feel like the savoury helps with eating sweet. Let me know if you agree. And yeah, we're just going a little wander. Like, look at that. Like, it just... It's just so amazing. So amazing. So we now had to put him in a pram because the walking wasn't working out for us. Scott was having the Mary Jensen. I have a feeling he's just overdue a nap. But I was telling them before, I just feel like we're living in a movie.
Yep.
Like, how amazing is that? I just feel like watching every single person's... There's that macaroon place. Oh my god.
Think about food.
No, I know, but
Should start getting some.
we'll do it on the way back. We're just going to go a little wander. And yeah, just absolutely obsessed with the place. There's that... What's that? Like the movie theatre?
Yeah, they're on the other side, I think.
Oh, is it? Obsessed. Oh, she's annoying him.
I'll him.
Anyway, we're going to go a little wander and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Bye! I genuinely feel like, keep on saying it, we're actually living a movie. Imagine this being your life, imagine, like, wow. Actually unreal. We're just going a wee walk up and down. We actually not got any plan, apart from maybe going into that macaroon store, but I can't actually think about food right now, but I don't want to leave it, so we'll obviously definitely be coming back. That's one thing for sure. Wait, what? It's crazy.
A bit of double trouble going on there.
Oh, we definitely do. We definitely do.
Where are you from?
Scotland?
Same as myself.
Got it out.
Well, I'm here now, but I was in Edinburgh for 25 years.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, nice.
It's nice to hear a familiar accent.
Proper accent.
How is it living here then? It must be amazing.
I love it here. I married an American 25 years ago. She came to
Oh, amazing.
Edinburgh to live with me.
Alright.
And I promised her one day we'd get back. Most of our family's here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, cool.
They were in New York, but they all came down here a few years back. So I promised her I'd get her back someday. So when COVID came,
Yeah.
I ran out of excuses. I had to.
Aye, it was a no-brainer.
had
I bet
to
you
do
never
it.
looked back.
No.
Oh, it's been good. No.
Do you miss it?
I miss my friends, you know, but I
Yeah.
don't really miss. I don't even miss a lot
It's
of it.
boring.
You know?
Scotland's
Edinburgh's nice.
amazing.
Where are you
Like-
guys from?
Glasgow. You know,
Glasgow.
tell by the tragic accent. We've got a
No,
tragic.
you've got a good Glasgow accent.
Oh, good. I'm
know.
glad.
What's your name?
So that is Willow, and that's
Willow.
Jensen.
Jensen. And you're twins, are you?
They are.
Wow.
They are that. Double
Two.
trouble.
Who's the older of the two?
Willow
minutes.
by
Oh,
2
Came
minutes.
out first.
And she will not, she'll probably won't let him live that down, to be fair. So I just quickly ended the vlog there. We actually bumped into a fellow Scotsman. He recognised our accents obviously from chin-wagging to each other and asked us where we're from, and he was from Edinburgh. So very nice. He now lives out here. He's been living here for 5 years with his American wife, and I'm sorry, but that is a dream. That is the dream. He was like, keep your fingers crossed, never know you might be out here, but we'll see. Better get hard working. Can we do that, Scott? Move out here. Hiya. Would definitely love it. But no, speaking to him was so lovely. He was such a lovely guy, wasn't he?
Yeah.
It's filled me with a little bit of hope that this could be our future at some point. Because imagine this just being your daily stroll.
Wouldn't be a daily stroll though, sadly.
Hi.
To go to work.
Oh, well, yeah. If you're tired though, tired early.
Yeah.
Let's get those pens being put behind. It's all well done saying that. Pardon? Cross at the crossing. But yeah, so lovely to speak to him, and he's now running. I was like, have you acclimatised to the weather because you're running in it? He was like, yeah, you do get used to it. So we're certainly not used to it. I'm absolutely dying in this aliens t-shirt. But yeah, I'm just so content and so happy, and he's nowhere to be seen now because he's legged it. Go him. Anyway, let's go maybe get some macaroons. Maybe. If you want.
I don't know, it's just if you want, but sounds it.
Our plans, we're going to head to Hollywood Studios later on for Fantasmic.
10:15. Times I think we should get to Hollywood Studios. We're going to be there all day, but...
The Hollywood is our oyster. We'll see. We'll deliberate and then we'll come back to you guys with a plan of action. We need to go in there for Max. Oh, it looks so lovely. Let's see. Good morning. Oh my goodness. We're good, how are you? Oh, Scott, look. That's what we're here for. Definitely. Pardon? They do, don't they? Oh my goodness, even the chocolates. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh. Alright.
That was good. That was really good, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, something like birthday cake sounds amazing. Strawberry key lime. We're now in Hollywood Studios, and I mean, look at these. I know Willow got two eyes. One is for Jensen. Look. These would be amazing for my iced coffees. I just can't let Scott get a hold of them because he has broke near enough every single glass I own. Oh look. Are they plastic? Yeah, they are. They would be so cute for little snack plates for the twins. Amazing. And all the mugs. I'm obsessed, actually obsessed. I want it all. If it was an endless supply, I would so get everything. Oh, the twins have met someone.
It's about time for lunch anyway. How much is it?
So this is some sort of bell of enchantment. I'll put the name up on the screen if I actually do remember it. But we'll need to give Willow a little bite first because Willow is waiting so patiently. She's jumped her dummy as well.
Yummy? Is that much?
Is your name here? One more? And then this is some sort of boba, bell of enchantment something. That is nice. Do you want some more?
Oh man, that's so good.
But we're going to enjoy this. We managed still asleep. And when he wakes up, we will hopefully, I want some pictures, like some nice family pictures. Obviously he's fast asleep, so she'll end up eating this all by herself. Anyway, that's us. They were really good. Willow probably at 95% of it though. We didn't really get a look in at it. The boba drink was actually really refreshing. So I would definitely get it again. It kind of tastes like Black Forest Gatto, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but clearly my daughter is. But yeah, so now we're just heading to get them freshened up, more sun cream on them, change their nappies, and I think we're going to head to Toy Story Land. Because, I mean, that's the part of the park that we're actually dressed for, after all. Just for a little wander, to be fair, and see where it takes us. But no, I'm actually obsessed. Obsessed. So this little tour rag won't keep a hat on. And that's just the reality of having a toddler. Dad's just come in. So we were actually just told about the little baby facility that we have in Hollywood Studios, and it's just over literally at the entrance at Guest Relations. That's it going again. And it's actually really handy, it's air conditioned, and it's just a lovely experience. There's Scott getting them sorted. Let's go. Let's go. You okay? If you can. Or will we park up somewhere, do you think?
Just out here. Can you just put them up?
Wow.
Yes, guys.
Willow and Jensen's first time in Toy Story Land. Wow, look!
Sir, did you find what you were looking for, sir?
You said you deployed patrol units, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir. Yes, I did. That was all me.
I ask because I didn't see them. I want stormtroopers crawling this outpost. Until we have what we need, no one rests. You don't rest. Understood?
spies in the streets. If that spy is here, I want her found. Failure is not an option for any of us. Understood?
Affirmative.
Move out! Supreme Leader tasked me with finding this persistent spy, and that is exactly what I intend to do.
Hi, Queen!
No place for young people, you know that. Oh, no.
All right, everyone, let's make some noise for Mickey right here leading our conga line with the kids. Mickey, you are a fantastic leader of our conga line, I will definitely say. You know what, let's go ahead and have some more fun with the kids.
You're alright.
It's time for the limbo.
You're alright.
All right, so I've got a limbo stick right here. If you want to be a part of our limbo
Where's
game,
Jensen?
let's make a line right here. Starting right here in front of the limbo stick. On through the line. Once you come through the limbo stick, you'll just go all the way
Hey,
to the
Zach.
back of the
Hi,
line.
Pluto.
Person in the back of the line. That way we can continuously just have a big limbo stick, alright? Alright.
Hi, Pluto. Hello.
Thank you so much, everyone. Alright, we're gonna start off at the highest height. And then it's gonna get lower and lower as we proceed. There we go, keep on. Get that chocolate more. Hey! Alright, now we're gonna get a little bit lower. Here we go. Okay, go under the limbo stick. There we go.
Wow.
Nice. Keep on going. Yeah. All right. Bring it lower right here.
Hi, Mickey. Say hi,
All right, you want to
Mickey.
come on to our limbo stick? Come on through.
Want to see Barbarina? Yes.
There we go. There, you're fine. And we're going to get a little bit lower. Here we go. Keep on going. That's right.
Lisa.
All right, a little bit lower. Nice. There we go.
That's alright. Dancing.
Don't worry, if it hits your head, don't worry about it. Keep on going through the line. We're not doing any eliminations right now. We're just having fun, seeing how long you can go. Yeah, there we go.
Like this, Mickey. Hello. Jensen, is that Pluto?
All right.
Oh.
We're getting about right here.
Hey. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Hey. Hiya, Mickey.
You gonna come on under?
Thanks.
Yeah, there we go. Awesome job. All right, let's go about right here. Get under that limbo stick. You try it out. There we go. Oh God.
I will. I will.
Going under here.
It's alright. It's alright. Jensen.
Going under that limbo stick. We got some limbo stars today. That was awesome.
Is that a yummy cake pop? These are being treated like kings and queens today. Lovely. And for me and Scott, excuse my cool towel, any Disney girls that can come here and look good, what's your secret? Because it's not the one for me. I got But we got an iced caramel macchiato. Look how much caramel syrup is in that, like caramel drizzle. We're going to give it a wee shake and then we'll give it a taste test. Because we need a little caffeine boost about now. And we also got little cake pops. So they got the strawberry and cream one and I just got, probably shouldn't be showing them because they're going to want them and all. Mistake 101. But yeah, excuse me while I die in this heat. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy it and also got a cup of ice. I just put diluting juice in. Beautiful. And that's all. Good?
Yep.
You can sit with me now.
Oh, is that good? Where are we? What are we going to see? Is we going to see Fantasmic?